All right, folks, I purchased this for my 5-year-old son. He loves this style truck whenever we see it out on the road. So when I saw that they had a remote control model of it, I thought this would be a great gift for him. It arrived, it's called the Amphibious Racing, and this is the box that it came in. I actually unboxed it already just so I could get it all set up and get the batteries put in it so we could start playing with it right away. So you get the truck. This is the remote control. It's a little different than usual remotes, but this is actually really handy. I'll show you in a minute how to use it. Obviously, it comes with your directions. And what I like about this, and from my memory, I don't think a lot of other remote control toys come with this. It comes with a backup battery and a charger. So this way you can have this one already charged, ready to go, and you could swap it out if the battery dies. I was able to get this toy set up in like 3 minutes. It comes with everything you need, little screwdriver. You open this compartment with a screwdriver, put in 2 AA batteries that do not come with it. And then on the car itself, there's also a compartment on the bottom. You unscrew it, pop it open, and you just connect this, click it in, put it in the compartment, pop it closed, and then secure it with the screw, and you're ready to roll, literally. So this device, the kids will be able to figure it out better than I can, but so you pull back to go forward, you push forward to go back. Oops, I'm blocking it. Forward, back. And then on here, there's a wheel, and this is what turns the car. So my son is going to have a very happy birthday. Great remote control toy, and that's all I got to say about it. It's fun.
Now go. Go.
Aphia, can I see the remote?
Ow! It's on! Ow! Can you open it by yourself?
Dangerous right now.
Cigarettes.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put it in the sink, but I want to return it.
Let's just get a different one.
Yeah, it's literally on fire.
Papa. Papa, can I try it?
Right. ready, 10 vacation.